Hey guys, this is Junior Trader, and in this video we are taking a look at Tesla stock, guys. So you saw it on the thumbnail of this video, and yes, the structure is broken again. So let's take a look at what's going on with the price action in this video for Tesla. Where did the structure broke, and yeah, where did it break, and how is there a possibility we can regain the structure, or else where is Tesla heading now in the direction that it has picked up? So we'll talk about all of that in this video. Once I let you know, none of this is any financial advice and it's only for education purposes. All right, there are a couple of news as well on Tesla, but it's not important. Price action, I don't think, has to do anything with that. All that is just a noise. Now, well, here we go. So what happened? Yesterday I talked about $180 level is very important for Tesla to get above and stay above today and close above today, above $180 today. Because that's what would have led Tesla to still be holding these pivots of higher highs, higher lows. Unfortunately, we not just lost $180 level, we also lost the structure support of 178 as well. I'll show you on lower time frame in just a second. But also we lost 20 days moving average. We closed everything below that. So Tesla has unfortunately lost the structural pivots that were forming to the upside and is in the structure of a lower pivot now. We have a lower high here. And we have lost 178 20 days moving average. That was the structural support, potential support for the uptrend that we wanted to stay in. Unfortunately, the structure has turned around, and I talked about it. That's why $180 level was so important, and then I gave the range of 178 and $180 to watch for. Let's go to the hourly interval, and here we go. Right, so you can see we have a clear lower high and lost 180, so there was no, and lower low confirms that lower high as well, right? So the pivots are forming to the downside. We have lost all those levels, unfortunately, and that was the thing, right, guys? Let's take a look at 5 minutes. Actually, let's go to 5 minutes. So you can see how well our levels react though, right? Once we lost 180, we came down to our significant level 175. We tried to rebound, rejected at our significant areas of 178, sold off, and then Tesla lost 175 as well because the downtrend was picked up on this, right? So where can Tesla go, right? So let's go to the hourly interval. Now, the reason why I was saying we want to stay above 180 is because this green box was the acting support that Tesla got out of, which was acting as a resistance, and then this previous demand zones, right? So now this, unfortunately, you can see in the retest of it today, that's where we sold off again as well. So that's where the problem is, right? This is an issue here. So yeah, the structure is, guys, to the downside. So Tesla, if it continues to reject 175 at this point, rejects 200 hours moving average, it can continue to fall to $170. That's the next area. And so 170 is again very close to that 50 days moving average. So if Tesla, well, that's the direction actually, guys, on Tesla. If Tesla wants to turn itself bullish now, it has to, well, tomorrow recapture 175, but that won't just change it to bullish, guys, on the structure. We need to get above this 178 to $180, because if that is not happening, we have this now 20 days moving average, and the previous support turned into resistance. Now again, this green box right now, it's a resistance. So this is where now we have a challenge, that any rebound until 178 and 180, if the price action starts rejecting there, that will still keep Tesla in the downward direction. Okay, the structure is at least where the price action is right now. If tomorrow we want to conclude Tesla again being in the bullish trend, then we need to get above 178 to $180. Otherwise, unfortunately, yeah, the direction is now, this thing has direction to the downside. yeah, rebounds might not change the structure. Structure is broken from the upside back to the downside. That's with Tesla, guys. That's why these levels and structure trading, price action trading is so important, because it allows us to, that's what I said, this is the time to take position, these rebounds, then take partial profits out in the extensions, and when things starts to look weaker, you gotta get out at those structure breaks. So technically the position that we talked about and taken is still turned out profitable, and then this was the place to get out. $180 level, fully out of that position. All right, well, so that's Tesla, guys. Let's take a look at QQ and SPY. So QQ selling off today, but guys, yes, it's a very bearish candle. However, yeah, this may bring some cool offs maybe tomorrow as well to 450 or lower to 444. I'll talk more about when I do QQ and SPY videos. But yeah, one candle is not going to change anything. This has still a potential to get a pullback, but then rebound a little bit more. Again, not saying I'm going to go all-time highs, but these are just near-term cool-offs right now. SPY also very bearish structure. I talked about if we start to lose 531, this cool-off can come to the level of 524. We got those cool-offs, but this is just, at least for now, taken as a cool-off. 20 days moving average may give it a support. Structure is not bearish though. We will see if it eventually starts to go into the distribution phase and then slowly break the structure to the downside. But that's not what I'm seeing right now. All right, well, so that's it for this video, guys. Most importantly, Tesla I want to talk about. And if you found this video helpful, valuable, hit the like, subscribe. And I'll see you in my next videos, guys. Take care. Bye.